St. Lucia's school feeding program has received another boost from the government of Brazil. A revamped feeding program was modeled off the Brazilian success, providing hot meals to all students while supporting growth in the agriculture sector. The Brazil experience is built on promoting the consumption of locally grown foods. St. Lucia's Ministries of Agriculture, Education and Health are partnering on replicating that success right here in St. Lucia. Vincent Lacobiniere is the marketing specialist in the Ministry of Agriculture.
Our food import bill presently stands at $400 million, and that is significant, and it's climbing. For example, in poultry alone, we import something like $40 million annually, and that, to my mind, needs to be looked at. We can do better than that. We certainly can bring those figures down, and to bring those figures down, it has to come through and from the next generation. I urge you, all participants, I urge you farmers, I urge you teachers, I urge you Ministry of Health officials, principals, and all of us, let us work together to achieve this vital objective, and that is to try to secure the food that we grow for our people. Thank you.
And a team from Brazil is on island to conduct a training seminar on the development of the program. A core component is the feeding program is the establishment of school gardens. Cyrilia Lewis is the coordinator of the feeding program.
To create mutual relationships with parents, with farmers in our school communities. Through the program they are assisting us with, we will collect empirical records to underscore the various menus that will be necessary for the children in the school feeding program. Everybody will not get just one meal. We are going to program the meals to suit our individual cases when it becomes necessary. They are helping us to endorse, increase, improve healthy eating habits, beginning with the little ones at school. They are helping us by allowing children to develop safe relationships with the environment, by understanding how they can grow and eat their own food. And they are endorsing interministerial collaboration in order to ensure stability and support for our school feeding program.
Some 79 schools are participating with 7,500 students fed daily. The Agriculture Minister says he's pleased with the impact thus far.
This responsibility to ensure that we have an improved school feeding program has little to do with simply implementing another policy of government. It has a lot to do with our survival. It has a lot to do with finding creative solutions to the many problems that we have in our country, not only economic solutions, but also solutions to ill health. I wish to thank the other ministries, Ministry of Health, the Chief Nutritionist, Ministry of Social Transformation, Ministry of Education. We have been able to pull together the four ministries, and we are working together on this project, and we want success. We know we can succeed. Many schools are now on board, and many more schools want to be on board. I wish to thank in a very special way the traditional private sector in St. Lucia, because we see businesses knocking on the doors in droves, and they want to find out what is it we can do to help with this improved school feeding program.
Agriculture Minister Moses Jabati, stay with us when we come back. Police make a $500,000 EC drug bust.